Hi there, I'm Larissa from ELCUS, which stands for English Resource Lab, keeping it simple. I'm really pleased you've clicked on this video. It sounds like you've clicked on it because you want to get some great ideals. Ideals or ideas? Sue has some great ideals for her team. Ideals or ideas? Tom, on the other hand, has the same ideas as his mother. Does he really? Sounds to me like he probably has the same ideals as his mother. The same principles, the same values. If this is confusing for you, these two words, then this video is for you. When we do writing, whether you write in business, whether you have to write essays at university, any sort of formal writing, these two words are quite common and they can be really confusing. So if they are, stay watching because I'm going to talk about what both words mean, followed with some examples, and at the end we're going to look at some sentences where you can decide whether we use idea or ideal, a bit of an activity. Let's start off with the definition of both words. So what does each word mean? Let's start off with the word idea. Do you have any great ideas? Idea is a concept. It's a suggestion. We can also use it to talk about purpose. And ideal, on the other hand, is about principles, about values. And we can also use it to talk about perfection or aiming for perfection. Let's have a look at some examples, starting with the word idea. I have a great idea. He has no idea where you put your wallet. The idea of watching videos on grammar is to learn. Now let's have a look at ideal. Now is the ideal time to enroll in that hospitality course you've always wanted to do. Our company shares the same ideals as our biggest competitor. Creating 2 groups instead of 4 is an ideal solution. The word ideal is both a noun and an adjective, but the word idea is just a noun. We can't use it as an adjective. Let's look at some more examples. She has very grounded ideals. Noun. This is the same as saying she has very grounded principles. This is the ideal holiday. Adjective, which is the same as saying this is the perfect holiday. Leaving early is the whole idea. Noun. And researchers feel that this breakthrough is an ideal opportunity to request further funding. This is an adjective, which is the same as saying is a perfect opportunity. And if we change that last sentence to a perfect opportunity, remember we need the article a because perfect starts with a consonant. And if it's ideal, it would be an ideal because ideal starts with a vowel. Now, if you're not sure whether to use the word idea or ideal, we can do a simple test. Let's change the word idea or ideal for their synonyms. I have a great idea. I have a great suggestion. He has no idea where you put your wallet. He has no concept of where you put your wallet. The idea of watching videos on grammar is to learn. The purpose of watching videos on grammar is to learn. Now let's have a look at our sentences where we use the word ideal. Now is the ideal time to enroll in the hospitality course. Now is the perfect time to enroll in the hospitality course. Our company shares the same ideals as our biggest competitor. our company shares the same principles or the same values as our biggest competitors. Creating 2 groups instead of 4 is an ideal solution or is a perfect solution. Now let's have a look at some other sentences and let's see if the words that we have in those sentences are correct. John always has amazing ideals that he talks about. Does he really? Does he always talk about principles and values? My guess is he probably talks about amazing ideas. They always strive for great ideals. And yeah, you might strive for great principles, but principles and values are quite personal. You're probably always striving for great ideas. We often think of ideals when we need to improve. Do we really think about principles and values when we want to improve? Probably not. We probably often think of ideas when we need to improve. No one feels that either of those strategies would be ideas, except the marketing team. I think here we need to say no one feels that either of those strategies would be ideal, except the marketing team. Let's do a quick recap now. The word idea relates to a concept, a suggestion or purpose. Ideal, on the other hand, relates to principles, values, something that we strive for in terms of perfection. We want something to be perfect. Both idea and ideal are nouns, but only ideal can be used as an adjective. Now, if you found this video helpful, then hit the subscribe button and the bell to keep up with all of the new videos we're going to be putting out this year. Thanks for watching. I'm Larissa. Bye for now.